Hey everyone,
Hey.
welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going back in with Chicano Bakes.
Yep.
Look at it here. We are actually gonna try the Champurrado. And if you don't know how to say that, just think shampoo and change the sh to ch, and it's Champurrado. You gotta roll your R's though. Let's see what description he wrote for this one.
Alright.
He said, Champurrado is a chocolate-based atole made with milk, Mexican chocolate, cinnamon, and nutmeg, then sweetened with piloncillo. When I was a kid, I used to look forward to Sundays because when we get out of Sunday school, street vendors would line up outside of church. I'd always run to get myself a warm cup of champurrado with a spicy tamal de pollo and gelatina de mosaico in a plastic cup as a reward.
Oh.
Wow. Now, you know what? I used to do that too.
Really?
As a street vendors, I used to get atole with a spicy tamale, but now, why the hell would I do that? Like, why was I doing that? Now it would like completely mess me up.
I mean, your palate was completely out of whack, kid.
And like it's milk based. Also, we are using whole milk in this one. That means I'm gonna risk it all for this drink.
We're using two milks. We're using evaporated milk too.
I'm risking it all. Sometimes it hit me, sometimes it doesn't. We'll see. So everything we're gonna cut in half. Because according to this recipe, it makes about 8 cups. This is like a holiday drink. It is made around this time, like November, December, you know, posadas, all that.
It's like a celebratory kind of beverage.
Yep, it's just like a holiday beverage. Like it's like when it gets cold.
Oh,
Which,
sweet.
surprise, it gets cold here in Las Vegas, even though it's a desert. It gets really cold at night.
Yeah, I did not realize that. We've actually had the heat on, which I'm sitting here pissed.
It's like the wind is so crazy. It's crazy because this is a desert, but in Palm Springs is a desert too. It's hotter in Palm Springs now than it is here in Las Vegas.
Yeah, in Palm Springs, it never got cold at night. It was still always just balmy and hot.
It's crazy. I'm like, I try to escape the cold. I guess I just can't. Never got. And apparently it snows here too.
Yeah, I don't love that. I don't love that.
It makes about 8 cups. We're going to cut every single little ingredient in half.
Because it just does.
So it's 6.5 cups of whole milk. We're just going to do 3. Just 3 cups.
Let's do it.
Or should we do 3.5? No, 3 cups is a
3
lot.
cups, yeah. We don't have too much left over.
Alright, I'm just going to read off the ingredients real quick. 6.5 cups of whole milk. 1 can of evaporated milk. We might have to do this like half, since there's 2 of us.
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 2 sticks of cinnamon. 2 tablets of Mexican chocolate, like barra or abuelita. We have abuelita.
Hey.
So that means we're going to have to use like 1 bar. Like 1 small bar. Like 1 small tablet of this.
Those things are potent, though, so it should be fine.
Half cup plus 1 tablespoon of maseca, which is right here.
Boom.
4th cup grated piloncillo, which is this. We're just gonna have to grate this. I remember this is sweet. It's hard. I really haven't touched this since I was a kid, so we'll see how this goes.
I remember when at my grandma's house when I was a little kid, I used to do this, and she's like, James, put that down! Yeah.
And a 4th teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, which we already bought it.
Hey.
Already grated. I was hoping we could find piloncillo like that. Am I saying that right? Piloncillo, yeah, piloncillo like that, but we're gonna have to grate it ourselves. Alright, so in a large stock pot, which we have back there, combine 5 cups of whole milk, but we're just gonna do 2 to start off with. The evaporated milk, so half of this, then the vanilla, then the cinnamon sticks, and then set the pot over just above low heat and cook for 30 minutes, whisking frequently to make sure nothing burns or sticks to the pan. So here we go.
We bring the pot over here?
Yes.
Okay. And just in case we mess everything up, we bought instant too.
Yeah, we bought instant champurrado just in case we mess up. Alright, so let's start off with the 2 cups of milk.
Whole milk. I haven't had this since I was like a kid.
Is that 2 cups?
It's 1.
Alright, boom, 1. Ooh, 2. Isn't there a lot of people out there that say we shouldn't be drinking like whole milk?
Yeah. They're haters.
So we're gonna need half a can of this, since it needs 1 full can, but because I'm like, what are we gonna do with half a can?
Let's make up for the other cups with that.
Alright, we're gonna do our own thing. Sorry, Esteban. We're gonna do our own thing right now. Because I'm like, I'm not gonna store the rest of it.
Right, I got no place to put this. All my Tupperwares are used up because I made carne asada this morning.
Yeah, we don't really have family here in Las Vegas, so that's why we're always baking and cooking for ourselves.
That's what that does.
What?
Should I just put the rest in?
What does it do?
It makes it a different color.
Is it thicker?
I don't know. I mean, it just looks like...
Just put it all in there.
There we go. No one cares. Alright.
Because we're gonna add another cup of milk while it's heating up. Like after
okay.
everything's done. Yep. So let's do the vanilla. We have Mexican vanilla extract, actually.
Hey.
I forgot we had it. The Mexican vanilla blend is what we're gonna use. Apparently we needed 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, but how do we do half now?
Oh. I say we should still put the 1 teaspoon in, because 1 teaspoon vanilla extract adds flavor.
Oh, here it goes. Half a teaspoon right here.
Oh, okay. I want it to be sweeter.
Well, then just give me the 1.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Here you go.
It's all by taste anyways. My mom used to make this and my abuela, but that's been a while ago.
Now, is your family like one of those families like that likes it really their food really sweet or really spicy?
It's whatever. Anything goes.
My family was always sweet. Like, they didn't like spicy at all.
Because I know that, well, we ate everything. They make tamales con dulce, which is like sweet tamales, spicy tamales. So everything was always there at the party. You can have spicy, you can have sweet. Like, it's either spicy or sweet. There's nothing bland. There was nothing ever that was bland. Now we need the cinnamon sticks. We're just going to do the 2 cinnamon sticks, too.
Yeah.
We already have 2 little ones like this. Did we ever open those kitchen shears?
Yeah, they're right here.
I know someone recommended for me to buy kitchen shears because I suck at opening things. Thank you. We went and got them.
We found a fierce little budget grocery store we bought a lot of this stuff from. They had everything we needed.
Oh, I'm having like I have some congestion right now. I'm just hoping that it stays that way because this weather change here in Las Vegas, it got me.
It's too bad it's not ground. We could do the cinnamon challenge. Remember that?
Oh no, I ain't doing that. Now we have the ingredients for step 1 here. We're going to go over there and cook it on low heat and whisk it for 30 minutes. I'll probably do some iPhone footage for that, so I'll be right back.
Sweet.
Alright, actually, the second step says, meanwhile, grate the chocolate disc on the large holes of a box grater into a large bowl. So we need a large bowl. Add the masa harina, piloncillo, and nutmeg, then whisk in the remaining 1.5 cups of milk. So I'm gonna go whisk that so it doesn't nothing sticks to the bottom. James is gonna grate 1 tablet of this. We'll probably just leave it here.
Honestly, I don't think it would count.
And the piloncillo, does that need to be grated? Yes, like a 1/2 cup. So 1/3. So this has to be full with that. Unless you want to do 2 tablets of abuela.
We probably could. This is grating down so easy. I am fierce.
Did it work?
Yeah, I think I got the whole thing in just one little go.
Wow. And then how much maseca do we need? So 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon of maseca. So we probably do like 1/4 cup.
Okay.
And then a tablespoon. So we use the 1 tablet of abuelita because we're cutting everything in half, except for the evaporated milk. Let's see how much longer we have on the timer. Once the 22 minutes are done, we're going to come back and mix that all in, okay? See you in a bit. Actually, there's 13 minutes left to this, but it already looks pretty cooked. So I'm guessing since we put half the ingredients in there, we do half the time.
Yeah, I think so.
So let's just start tossing stuff in there.
All right.
I'm going to grab the milk and you just toss that all in there and start whisking it.
Alrighty. This is the maseca, the sugar, and the abuela chocolate.
And I'm going to get 1.5 cups of milk because it's getting thick. They were whisking it. It's starting to look like champurrado.
Mm-hmm. As I make sure I get that real quick with the maseca because it'll start to clump up if it hits heat real quickly.
Alright, so we forgot to put in the nutmeg, so we're going to do that there real quick. Hold on. Better late than never. Alright, now we're just going to keep on whisking it and we got to cook it for another 10 to 12 minutes. We'll be right back. Alright, you guys. So the book says add sugar if you want to the champurrado. So we're going to add some cinnamon dust because we just want a little touch of sweetness. And we're going to mix that up and we'll be right back. Okay, we are back.
So yeah, basically the last step was to just adjust the seasoning to it. If you need more milk to like dilute it or if you need more sugar to make it sweeter, it's all up to your own taste.
We use cinnamon dust like I showed you in the iPhone footage. We brought back the no sabo kid flavor up in here.
Yep.
And also added like an extra 4th cup of milk. We have the concha out, we have the champurrado, and we have canelitas, which are cinnamon cookies. So let's try it. I already tasted it, pre-tasted it, so I know it tastes good. But let's just try it now.
I haven't tried a full sip yet. Let me try it. It's hot as hell.
Oh, this is good.
Oh, this is really good.
This is so good. Okay.
I like the little chunks in it.
Yeah, there's chunks in there because of the maseca. So it's like you're drinking like pieces of a tamal. But I remember my mom, I didn't used to like the chunks in there. She used to just pour it with a strainer so that all the chunks stay out and you just get the liquid. But now that I'm older, my taste buds have changed and I actually like the chunks in there.
Yeah.
And then you could like break a cookie, dip it in there, boom.
Let me try it. See how the cookie tastes. Oh, it's like coated. Oh, that's sickening. Oh, I love that.
It's a really good drink for the holidays.
Yeah, I can honestly say my family never made this. This was not in our rotation.
Well, your mom also was like, okay, girl, we gonna Americanize you.
Like Christmas time, I think we only ever had like rice and we had tamales. But they didn't really do anything like drink-wise. My parents just had Corona.
You see, I was spoiled. I basically tasted everything. So I see a lot of recipes here. I'm like, yep, I remember that. I haven't done it in a while because obviously I don't live at home no more. I haven't like ate stuff like this in a while, but I do remember how it tastes. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Let me know if you have ever tried this at home or you just buy this at the Mexican deli because sometimes they do make it. They make atole too. I used to buy it in the store, but now that I know how to make it, it's so easy.
Yeah, that was super easy. Yeah, honestly, like the only thing that took time was like grating and stuff. But if you do that ahead of time,
you're good.
I don't know.
Don't forget that James now has an Auto Drag YouTube channel.
Yes.
It's just James, okay? Go subscribe. 2 videos are out now already. And we're planning on building it. It's just talking about pop culture.
Yep. If you have a pop culture obsession like I do, go check it out.
But what are some traditions your family does for the holidays? Or even if you don't celebrate the holidays, what are some things that your family cooks at home during like November, December, January, you know, the cold months?
Yeah.
Let me know down below.
Because like for mine, it was like tamales, rice, and menudo.
Oh yeah, menudo is good, but I'm not ready to make that.
That's a lot.
I'm like, thank you for like joining me in my little cooking journey again, because I'm trying to learn how to cook. And I'm like trying to stick, because we are so used to going to restaurants and ordering Grubhub. We are really bad. Oh my God, I can't believe we did that.
For like a full year.
For a full year. It's because we were busy. We were constantly go, that we only ate restaurants, Grubhub. It was a lot. And now I'm like, we have to like settle down and really start cooking for ourselves.
I have a theory too. I think it's because I had electric stove before and it took so long to cook food on it that I just didn't want to cook.
It was too much. But I'm glad we got this done on our first try. We did that.
Yes.
All right. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay trifling. Deuces.